Drop a like and do share. Leave your comments and do not forget to subscribe for more videos.
Welcome back and thanks for watching lesson 3.2 using Google Tools to practice pinyin. So this is going to be a short lesson because I'm just gonna show you how you can use Google Translate to sound out the pinyin so you can practice your listening and speaking skills. And then I'll show you how to use Google Chinese input because we Chinese use Pinyin to key in Chinese characters. So after finishing Pinyin lesson, I think this is the time to introduce you how to use Google Chinese input. So now I'm going to show you how you can use Google Translate for practice. So first go to Google Translate using this URL, translate.google.com. And now you choose the Chinese option here and then English option here. Then you can think of the pinyin that you want to know how to speak or listen to. So you can just type a random one. So here I'll just type REN. Okay. Right now you can listen to this sound, but for safety reason, I would suggest you to switch this one first. And then you see this spelling here, REN. So you can be sure that this is going to sound out this pinyin. So to listen to how this pinyin is pronounced, just go to this one, listen. So you can sort of know how it is pronounced. So for the next one, you can go back to the original position using swap languages. Then you type in the same thing again. For example, this one you want to put in this one. Then you swap languages. And you see, you confirm that this is gonna sound like this. Then listen to it by clicking this one. Okay. What if you have put in something that do not exist? For example, you put in this one. Okay, this does not exist in Chinese pinyin system. So to confirm that, you can go to swap language and see what it happens. So what you can see here is it automatically put your pronunciation from SIAN to XIAN. Two different words. So you know something is wrong with your pinyin there. So I hope that gives you a basic idea of how to key in the sounds that you want to listen or guess how it is pronounced by using Google Translate. So whenever you want to practice, you can practice it yourself, especially when it comes to speaking. You want to confirm if you have spoken something right, you can always use Google Translate to help you. So now I'm going to show you how to type Chinese into computer. So one of the ways that you can use is the built-in Chinese input in Windows or Mac. And usually they use Pinyin. Adding in language is something that you can configure yourself using settings and language. So you can type in Chinese in documents or in web browser, anywhere you like. But for those who are not ready to use Windows or Mac, I'm going to teach you another way of typing Chinese using Google Tools. So if you type in Google Chinese input here, you should be able to see the few options here. One of them is Google Input Tools. So click into it and you'll be brought to this web page. So you want to type in Chinese, so just choose Chinese here. For whatever pinyin that you are inserting, you can see the corresponding characters. So for example, I want to key in Pinyin, so I put in PIN. So you can see all the options here. Remember, these are not arranged according to tones. It is arranged according to the frequency of these words being used. So I can see the character pinyin is right here, number 2. So I just type number 2 and then it will appear here. Other than that, you can also type in double words together. So what you can do is type in pinyin all together. Then you see pinyin is appearing at number 1 immediately. So you can type 1 or spacebar to put in the first one. And if you have noticed, you also have this arrow key here. And to save you time to use your mouse to click it, you can use page down button. Then it will go to the next page. And so you can choose some other words that you can't see in the first tab. Then you choose the one that you wish to put into. Okay, so for example, I'm going back to the first page and I type 4 to put in. Okay, so that was one of the way that you can use web-based Google Chinese input. And if you want to have it function like Windows or Mac because you like the Google interface better, you can always download the input. But for now, if you know nothing about Chinese characters, I wouldn't suggest you to download it now. And alternatively, if you want to insist to download Chinese input so you can key in Chinese in documents rather than in the web page, you can use Sogo or Baidu because these websites are not blocked in China. Okay, I hope you enjoy the tutorial that I gave to you regarding to listening pinyin using Google Translate and also keying in Chinese using pinyin. Chinese input will be explained in future lessons, so don't worry, you'll get to know what words you are learning and what are the pinyin of the words. Next up is gonna be tones. So it's gonna be challenging to some of you, but worry not, there will always be exercises for these type of lessons. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.